It's Meso, y'all. Welcome to my kitchen today where I'm going to be doing something with a leftover holiday ham. That's right, I'm going to be making ham salad. This is good when somebody just drops by or good for the kids with toast points or with crackers. It's excellent. Let's see here the ingredients that we're going to be using. And we're going to go ahead and get started. I have this spiral style sliced ham and I am just cutting it up, and you don't have to cut yours up. You can put it into into your bullet or something like that if you want to have it ground up for you. But I am just chopping mine up with this knife, and I'm removing the fat and just chopping just a nice lean ham. So you see my ham bone there, you save that, put it back in your freezer bag and freeze it. When you make some pinto beans or some greens or something like that, use that ham bone. Give it so much flavor. So here's my chopped up ham. I have here chopped up spring onions. I have some pickle relish, and these are olives. These are green olives that had pimentos in them, and I've chopped them up very fine, and they go in. They give it a really good taste. If you don't like pimentos, that's okay, but they give it a delicious taste, and nobody will be able to identify what that taste is. I'm putting in some yellow mustard, and this is mayonnaise. I'm going to put this mayonnaise in just to get started, but I don't think it's enough. We'll add more later. I'm putting some horseradish in. That makes it good. Now we're going to just start to mix this. More mayonnaise because it's a little dry. We need to loosen it up a little bit. So let's put in more mayonnaise, and now this is looking good. Oh man. Yeah, as I say, don't just waste that ham. You got people coming in. You could serve them this with crackers, and it is so good. Better than anything you can buy in the store. So good. So now I have served this up into my bowl. This bowl, guys, is about 70 years old. This is my mother's bowl. I'm so proud of it. I love it. Very seldom use it because I can't let it get broken. Okay, so you see, I have it here with crackers. And just to prove it to you, I gotta go ahead and taste this. Well, not so much proving, I just want to taste it. Look at that. Look. Oh, looks so good. You get a cracker here. I put some on the cracker. Now what I have here are just some dates laying here beside the salad. I like dates with mine, or just any little added sweetener. You don't have to use this, but I'm gonna grab a date and put it on my cracker. And I taste it. Oh, you so spoiled. Oh yeah, it's good. Guys, this thing is A-okay. It is with me. Gonna be A-okay with you too. So good. I put some in a mold here, and I've put it on this saucer and put some crackers around it. You can just serve it up any way you'd like. What happened to my lights here? Oh, okay. Guys, thank you for stopping by to see what I'd be doing today, because you knew that Meso would be throwing down and making something good. If you like my videos, I want you to share them wherever you're active on social media. I want you to subscribe, and I also want you to give me a big old thumbs up, and please comment because I love interacting with you guys. Thank you again for watching. Hey, go out today and show somebody your very own brand of love. Bye-bye.